Oh, it smells great.
You've got the salt from the parmesan, you've got the honey, which gives you sweetness, and you've got the acid from the balsamic. So they've got this really nice, luscious, dark colour.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to get all of that. There's a final step?
There's a final step, yes.
I'm so excited because we're going to be making sprouts. So Mia, the manager of our food team here at Hello Chef, is going to show us 3 different ways to use sprouts this festive season. So this is the 3rd way of making sprouts.
Yeah, roasted Brussels sprouts. We've got some washed and trimmed Brussels sprouts here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put them straight onto my baking tray. Super generous drizzle of olive oil.
And again, you've not boiled them or parboiled them or anything in advance.
Just as they are. Generous pinch of salt. And off they go into the oven.
Great, how long?
200 degrees. We're going to give them about 20 minutes while our Brussels sprouts are in the oven.
Yes.
We're going to prepare a quick glaze for them.
So you're going to use balsamic, I can see.
Yeah, they're going to be quite dark. So it's about 2 tablespoons of balsamic.
Okay.
And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of honey.
Want me to whisk it for you?
Yes, please.
So we'll put this once they're cooked or halfway through, or?
I will put the glaze on about 2/3 through. So we said 20 minutes in the oven now. And I can see they've already changed colour. And now I can just add some of my glaze to the baking tray. That vinegar went straight into my lungs. I don't know about you. Ooh, and my eyes. All right, and back into the oven.
Back into the oven. Go for it.
I'm going to check on my sprouts.
They look like flowers, don't they? Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm really happy with those. So they've been in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And they've got this really nice, luscious, dark colour.
Oh, amazing. I can't wait. There's a final step?
There's a final step, yes, of course. Cheese.
Great.
You've got the salt from the parmesan, you've got the honey, which gives you sweetness, and you've got the acid from the balsamic. So you've really got the right balance in this.
Oh, it smells great. So can we try?
Let's, yeah.
Oh, I want to get all of that from the bottom of the pan.
Really good.
Beautiful, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bon appétit.